Me and Maya here. We got a video for you guys today. Got the Toasty Dunks. Gonna be trying them on, putting them on the feet, seeing how they look. Yeah. Alright, Maya. Let's see what we got. So, we got the classical new type, since Nike's trying to get on that wave, the new move to zero. It's supposed to be like 20% is recycled, I'm pretty sure. At least 20%. So it could be however much. By weight. It's like, I feel like it's just a scam, bro. Like, they aren't trying to do shit. Fuck Nike. Anyways, on another note, yeah, their ethics are pretty bad. But they make sick shit. So, they're on top of the game with it. So, move to zero is Nike's journey towards zero carbon and zero waste to help protect the future of sport. This product is made with at least 20% recyclable content by weight, which is reduced weight and our carbon footprint. Move to zero. Yeah, but like I've heard rumors like, oh, it's only the box. It's not even like the shoes that are even moved to zero. But let's see what these dunks are like. So we got the Nike Dunk Low Retro NN, my first low dunks. 145 retail. I got myself a size 10. It is the, how do you say that? Sequoia. Sequoia colorway, orange, and medium olive. So you open it up, and I don't know if the Sequoia thing is like the brown, and then the orange and the olive, but I don't know. They look pretty sick though, right? So we'll take them out one at a time like I usually do. And yeah, on the Toasty shoe, it's pretty much the same as the Toasty Air Force or like any other Toasty shoe. Got the recycled logo on the top. Make sure it's still. So it's got that like lime green kind of fleece lined sole insert with the Toasty logo, kind of like with the move to zero kind of splashing out of it. I like the Toasty logo. It's just like the nice like bubble font, Toasty logo in orange, stitch on there, embroidered there, or stitched on, I mean. And then you get the kind of warmth, what would you call it? You got like the warm fleece liner throughout, kind of like a little bit on the tongue. And it goes most of the way through. It's all around the heel, but then it kind of stops midway. But I think it doesn't go like fully through. But definitely around the ankle, you got a lot of that fleece, nice green fleece there. Keep you warm in the colder weather. Like, this is a beautiful fall shoe. Oh my God, I really am excited to wear this in the fall next year. Or this year, I mean. This coming fall after summer. And yeah, I wasn't sure how these were gonna fit too, so excited to show you guys how they look. More on the Toasty design. You got this little like American flag type black and white check logo, kind of like, and then it says heat for your feet. I guess it's like the Toasty Nation, you know? And then a retro Nike logo here. This also says, oh, this says made in winter. So it was made in the winter, for winter, I guess, you know? Heat for your feet, made in winter. So we got these retro, kind of old, classic logos, like more retro style. Kind of like, even like the Dunk logo on the back is definitely more like classic, you know? It's definitely more retro. And more like vintage. That's the word I'm trying to think of. And then you got the leather check. So I really like the leather check. And you got this kind of suede / nubuck throughout. And then the quilted toe quilting on the side. And also on the back. So kind of like, it's got like this quilt suede with the leather check. So that the check will stay good for a while. Stay nice and bright. And you can just let it get scuffed up, get kind of dirtied up all around. It'll look nice and cool. And then you got this nice recycled bottom. I don't know if this is the Sequoia color. It's kind of like a weird brown. And you can see like it's got the the confetti design throughout, like the classic recycled look. And yeah, it's really cool. Really nice light brown with the white. And the Dunk's got a very interesting sole where it's kind of like a little section off, section. So it's more of like since it's supposed to be for skateboarding, it's more of like a utility design, you know, like got that extra like side grip. So it's supposed to be like for gripping the skateboard, maybe for doing the different tricks and stuff like that. So it's thicker in different areas. Move on to the bottom. We got a light star design, not as predominant as most leather shoes, only on the toe. And then we got a box tread, like the waffle tread on the bottom. Very nice. Kind of like the perfect like light treading that you'd want for like skateboarding and stuff like that, right? So maybe I'll even end up skateboarding these in the fall. That would be pretty cool. Wouldn't want to ruin them though, but it wasn't the most expensive purchase. Got them for retail. And there was something else I wanted to say. We got the green laces, and I'll lace them up and put them on in a few seconds. The suede, oh no, it's leather logo on the back with the embroidery of the Nike. And yeah, we'll take out the second shoe here. Oh yeah, I was gonna say about the air. I think it's just the air at the foot, like at the toe there. Don't think there's any foot at the heel. So I think it's just like some air right here. If anything, I'm not even sure if there's air in this shoe. Are there air in Dunks? I don't know. I'm bad with like knowing all the technologies. I'm still learning. You know, it's a learning thing. This shoe is also very nice. No defects. Nothing wrong with it. They're very nice factory prints or whatever, however you would say. Now I'm going to put them on the feet. So you loosen it up at the top as much as you want. Then you just like pull one and the second. Ooh. See, they're very like, they feel like a very like boxy kind of like a skateboard shoe. Like I used to wear skateboard shoes all the time when I was a kid. And like first time I put these on when I was at the store, I was like, damn, this feels like a skateboard shoe if I was to wear one, like, honestly. So, yeah, you got them on the feet, and they look sick, not gonna lie. I'll set up the camera for you guys. So, yeah. Sorry for the lighting, but yeah, they're just like a light, comfortable shoe with like kind of like support all around where you need it, like on the toes and around the heel, kind of like it just supports your foot just enough so you'd be able to walk around. There's kind of some flexibility, I guess, not as much. I don't see much creasing, especially because the quilt will help for the creasing, but like I could definitely feel myself like skateboarding these because it's got like that nice like stability that you feel in a skating shoe. So yeah, I think they look sick, honestly. On the feet, and I think they look dope, bro. And do a little dancing. Yeah. Oh, ooh, do my thing. Oh! No scuffing. That would be tragic. But yeah. That's it for today, guys. Let me know what you think. Make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, comment down what you think. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.